So right now I'm here, at the tomb of Aurangzeb Alamgir. It's a burial place here, Aurangabad, and we'll be entering there. Now this area comes under Daulatabad, tomb of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb Alamgir. We are progressing towards the tomb of son of Aurangzeb, Azam Shah. This is Khuldabad. This is how the inside of the tomb looks. Tomb of Aurangzeb's son, on the extreme left, son's wife and son's daughter.
औरंगजेब साहब इन्हीं चीज़ों से याद किया। जैसे आप लोग तहसील के लिए आए, औरंगजेब की हुकूमत के दौर में ये चिश्ती की समाधि पे आते थे। यहाँ से उनको शक्ति मिली थी, प्रेरणा मिली थी, श्रद्धा मिली थी। इस समाधि पे हाथ रख के वीर माना, वीर माना। ये ख्वाजा साहब को 674 बरस का सोचता है कि आज जागरूक है, या फिर मृत्यु के प्रार्थना करो कि मनोकामना पूरा हो।
You understood. So this place, the burial not only of Aurangzeb but also his guru, spiritual guru, and Aurangzeb had the wish that his tomb be made just next to his guru, which is Khuldabad. And yes. So, as I said, this tomb is not only about Aurangzeb but also about his guru, his son Azam Shah's family, that is his wife, and his daughter, Azam Shah's daughter, all are lying here. And this is also symbolic. Yes, when we come here, we also feel that in reality, these things did exist. It has still an impact on history, even now. So now, from Khuldabad, another area of this place. Let's see where I go. Stay with me.